Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert Excel to PDF in laptop. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So these data I'm going to convert to PDF. So let's start. Go to the file tab, then click on the print option and here you can see the print preview. Here the total 3 pages in this data. You can see the preview of PDF copy. Okay. So if you want to change the orientation, you can change here just click on this drop down arrow and you can change here the landscape. If you don't want landscape, just click on it, click on the portrait. Okay. Then here I'm going to convert this Excel file to PDF. Then for in printer option, just click on this drop down arrow and click on the Microsoft Print to PDF. It means this Excel is convert to PDF. Okay. Just click on it and then click on the print. That's it. And here you can see save dialog box is open. You can just select the destination where you want to save this PDF. So I select this desktop. If you want to select the document, you can select the documents. So I select here the desktop. Now just enter the file name. So I just enter here the file name purchase. Okay. Purchase data and click on the save. That's it. Your Excel file is converted to PDF. So I show you here on desktop, you can see this is a PDF. So I just double click on it and you can see your data is converted to PDF. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.